front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. First of all, you need to hold your search bar and wait for the pop-up to show. When it does, hit remove in the middle. And as you can see, after a few seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you wanna restore it, you can hold your display and tap on widgets at the bottom in the middle. Then scroll to look for Google App, click on it, scroll again to access your search bar and hold it. Then place it wherever you want to and let go. If you want to resize it, you need to drag it all the way to the right and to the left. Then tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!